Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious grilled fish and vegetables in the oven recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have 3 pieces of cleaned fish, slice of corn, cut zucchinis, potatoes, carrots, and green beans. Let's get started. Let's prepare our fish sauce. Here I prepared a piece of squeezed lemon. Add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of tomato paste, and add a teaspoon of olive oil. Mix well. And done. With our empty pan, let's put in our fish. Let's pour in our prepared sauce. Let's spread all over the fish in both sides. And done. Set aside. Now let's season our prepared vegetables in the pan. Let's put in all our vegetables and add a tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And mix all together. And done. And now let's put our prepared fish in the preheated oven. And our prepared vegetables, and leave it for 10 to 12 minutes. Use 230 degrees for the temperature. And after 5 minutes, let's take out our fish and vegetables to check. After 5 minutes, we take out from the oven to turn it on the other side. And then let's mix also our vegetables. And done. Now let's put them back in the oven and leave again for another 5 minutes or until it cooks. Now leave again for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, let's check our grilled fish and vegetables. And it's done. Take it out. And our fish is done. And our delicious grilled fish and vegetables are done. Let's put it in the serving plate. And our delicious grilled fish and vegetables in the pan is ready to serve.